Hello, 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 hello. This is Bhagna Sweet Shop. Location is Banahat Chamurchi More, Banahat, District Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. Have a look, friends. This is Bhagna Sweet Shop. Very old shop, near about 50 years. Have a look, friends. Bhagna Sweet Shop. Rajan Bhai. This is called Langcha. Langcha. Have a look, friends. The famous Langcha of this shop. Have a look, friends. So nice, sweet. Langcha. This is called Langcha. Outside of the sweet shop. Outside of the sweet shop. Rajan Bhai. This is Rajan Bhai. Just I am going inside of the relaxing lodge. Location is Banahat, Chamurchi More, Banahat, Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. Sweet shop and relaxing hotel. Owner is the same. Passage relaxing lodge only for lodging. This is conference hall. Conference hall. Birthday parties, meeting, wedding are held here. Birthday parties, meeting, wedding are held here. Double bed room. This is family package room. Family package. So nice lodge. Another double bedroom. Passage. Relaxing lodge. Another double bedroom. Passage. So nice lodge. Cheap and best. This is double bed with attached washroom. With attached washroom. Double bedroom with attached washroom. Nice lodge. Location is Banahat, Chamurchi More, Banahat, District Jalpaiguri. Have a look, friends. Cheap and best. Attached washroom. Double bed with double bed. Passage. Receptionist.